I bought two different styles of these ceiling fans with retractable blades, which I think are really cool, but this particular one was super bright because of the LEDs, and I wanted to do something to fix that because, as it turns out, I wasn't using the light at all. It was just too annoying. And a lot of people have not heard of these fans with retractable blades, so I thought I would also put that out there in case anybody was interested. Check out this before and after on how the camera captured the light. Look at the insane amount of glare coming off this light when I first turn it on, regardless of which light color. So I just took the set screws out using this Allen wrench size 2. I think it must be millimeters. I doubt too many people would have this exact fan, but then I took these rings off, and I was kind of expecting the glass looking part to be hollow on the inside, and that's where I was going to put my parchment paper, but as it turns out, it's a solid like plastic piece. So I went ahead and cut the shape of the ring and placed it on top instead of inside as I originally planned, and put it back on. As it turns out, one layer of parchment paper didn't do much, and I didn't want to take the time to cut multiple layers. Next, I tested a piece of weather stripping, which I think would have been a little too dark, so I went ahead and got some electrical tape in white. This turned out to be the easiest option. I just taped it all the way around the outer edge of the ring, folded it over the top, and smoothed it down on the inside. Then I put the ring back in place for comparison. It looks yellow, but actually in real life it doesn't look yellow at all. Must just be an exposure adjustment on the camera. So I went ahead and taped the other two. The second two rings didn't take more than a couple of minutes each once I knew what I was doing. And honestly, the tape fit over like a glove. It was the perfect size for this particular fixture. With the exception of this little seam, you could hardly even tell that the tape was there. It just looked like a part of the lighting. This is what it looked like in the end. You definitely can't see that insane brightness when you first turn it on, like you could before. I don't have a light measuring device, but I can tell you that I can turn it on at night and in the early morning now and not go crazy. I consider myself a person who likes a lot of light at times, but this LED craze is insane. I spent over a couple $100s on this light fixture and would never use the light feature. Instead, I would turn a light on in an entirely different room and just use the cast-off light from the other room to light this room. LEDs run pretty cool, and electrical tape has heat resistance, so I figure it'll be okay. We'll see. This little trick saved me a couple $100s in replacement costs, so I hope it is also helpful for you. If so, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.